What is the significance of this commemoration here today?
Well, there's a lot to celebrate. Certainly, 120 years ago, you had this industrialist from Detroit, who was really a rags to riches kind of story. He came from very humble beginnings and built a very successful company. And then when he retired, he wanted to leave a legacy. But part of his passion was collecting Asian art, with Japanese and Chinese art. And really built a preeminent collection at the time back in the 1900s. A lot of rich people were buying old European art and old masters, but he wanted to have Asian art because he thought that was a common language that actually brought all of our cultures together in beauty and form. And then he made a gift to the Smithsonian Institution in Washington, D.C. So the Freer Gallery is there. When he made that gift, he was the first person to give a personal art collection to the federal government. There were over 9,000 items, and they're still on display right now, and they really bring our cultures together in a significant way. And it was a vision of one person from the city of Detroit.
We know you are a big supporter of this whole thing. Tell us your involvement with this.
Well, I'm a regent on the Smithsonian board, so I work on issues related to this on a regular basis. But I certainly am pleased that we have members of the Smithsonian Institution here, including the director of the museum, including the Freer Gallery. But I also was able to secure federal money to come in of $550,000 to make sure we can make the kind of improvements that this house needs. It's clearly a gem. It's something that we have to protect for future generations. It's a grant. It's a matching grant. So right now there's a process of looking for people who would like to donate to make sure that this piece of history continues to be vibrant in Detroit. Every dollar someone gives will be matched up to $550,000 of a federal grant.